this distance small, this distance big. So this tenant go this side 行ったら this surface is go this side. At that time this ね this material and this material completely touch ね so good fit. So this shape is good shape. でI often use this joinery on at the this corner joinery.
Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. I have a Japanese woodworking school where you can learn in English. I accept 4 students each month, so beginners and professionals alike can take classes according to your skill levels. Don't worry. Check the overview for more information, and please subscribe to the channel. Let's enjoy woodworking together.